So, Laura, you brought up a very complicated but important to understand exception to the categorical approach, which we'll be talking about, which is usually referred to as the modified categorical approach, where you look if a statute is divisible, and Lory will explain what that means. And so it's the tendency of the judge, of the immigration judge usually, and definitely the immigration prosecutor, they will do everything they can to be able to use the underlying record against the client. But as Lory has explained, usually the best defense is the categorical approach needs to be applied in a strict manner. In other words, like Lory said in previous videos, we look at the statute of conviction. We look at the statute, the language of the statute, and we argue that you should not be able to go beyond the language of that statute because the person has already been convicted. They've already served their time. They've already paid their debt to society. And now the only purpose of this hearing is to determine whether or not it's removable. And we argue strict application of the categorical approach, but there's always exceptions just to make it fun.
Right. That's it, Felipe. That's correct.